Can you learn how to make a battery by going to a market? It may seem crazy, but seeing a sale take place is similar to what goes on in a battery. You have Andy the customer. He is the anode, or the zinc washer, and Kathy the vendor. She is the cathode, or copper penny. When Andy wants a cup of lemonade, he goes to the checkout counter. That is the electrolyte, or the citric acid in the lemon. Andy going to Kathy's counter is the same as us inserting the zinc washer and copper penny into the lemon. To purchase the lemonade, he swipes his card in the card reader. The card reader is a wire. Money moves from Andy's bank account to Kathy's, just like how electrons move from the anode to the cathode. This represents two reactions. The anode, Andy, goes through oxidation. That is a loss of electrons. He spent money and is negative. Now, don't get confused. The anode in our battery isn't negative because it's upset it's losing its electrons. Unlike Andy with his money, it's negative because there's a buildup of electrons around the anode. This is caused by the positive zinc ions leaving them behind as they go party in the electrolyte. Like a person with awful money habits and extra cash at a market, a pressure builds up. In the market, we call this impulse spending. In a battery, it's called electric potential difference, also known as voltage. While the anode is going through oxidation, the cathode, Kathy, goes through reduction and gains electrons. She reduced her inventory and gained money. She made profit and is positive. Again, don't think the cathode is positive because it gained electrons. It's positive because positive hydrogen ions began building up around the cathode, causing electrons to move from the copper surface to the positive hydrogen ions. This imbalance of charge is why the copper cathode is positive. As the electrons move from the anode to the cathode, they combine with the hydrogen ions within the electrolyte. Now, I bet you didn't expect to actually see a connection between batteries and markets, did you?